Let's make this dish. So I got some pork. These are country style ribs. And then some sausages. So I'm just going to put the sausages, I'm just going to steam them a little bit and then brown them a little bit. And these ribs, I'm going to brown in a little bit of olive oil, a little salt, a little black pepper. And of course, all this is going into the beans and greens. I'm going to use kale and Napa cabbage because I couldn't get any escarole. Pat them dry a little bit. That's really hot. A little salt. A little black pepper. Here we go. And you don't want to crowd when you're browning something. You don't want to crowd it because it'll steam. See how that didn't stick because the pan was hot. Look, perfect. And while that's going, I'll cut up an onion. All right, I got all four sides browned nicely. So I'll put those aside. And those will finish cooking in the liquid from the greens. And the sausages, same thing. So now I'll deglaze this, put in a little butter, olive oil, and the onion. And this is gonna splatter because this is cold. That was dry white French vermouth, by the way. And when you do this, it makes it a lot easier to clean the pan after you're done cooking because you get almost everything unstuck. Let me let that vermouth cook off for a minute. All right, in goes the garlic. All right, get a pretty sizable stock pot. That one's a 12 quart. So let me put this in there. See how that turned out? Nice. And then the meat goes in. That's the sausages and that pork. And it relaxed. So you can see the juice in there. That goes in as well. You don't want to waste anything good like that. All right, here I got some kale. I'll give it a quick little wash. And then I'll just cut the little bit of the brown ends off and all the rest is all usable. And in it goes. All right, nice head of Napa cabbage here. All right, some black pepper, salt, and then some crushed red pepper, quite a bit. All right, I wanted cannellini beans, but I didn't have any, so Great Northerns will have to do. And they'll be fine. Kidney beans are good too in this. All right, clean out the cans. And then a couple of cups of water, because this actually is a soup, believe it or not. All right, this is done. So let's see how it's gonna be. And it smells great. Those pork ribs fell apart nicely. Let me see if I can hold this. Sausages fell apart. This is going to be a good dish. I can't tip it too much because it's full of juice. All right, here we go. First, a little bit of the cabbage and kale. Oh, man. Oh. This is one of my favorite meals, is beans and greens. I like escarole the best, but I couldn't get it, so the kale is still good. I just absolutely love this meal. If you've never had it, you definitely got to try this. It's just so good. Piece of sausage. Look at this pork. Those short ribs or whatever they were just falls apart with your fork. Really good.